Calling on those who are looking to make a difference. Our communities are in great need of skilled nursing professionals. ATS Institute is committed to your success. Graduate in as little as 13 months with our nationally accredited practical nursing program. ATS sincerely believes that who you learn from is just as important as what you learn. Our caring instructors, staff, peers, mentors, and coaches will be there for you every step of the way. We offer flexible, blended learning to help balance life and school, featuring both online and on-campus learning. Day and evening schedules are available. Enroll with no waitlists or prerequisites. Financial aid is available for those who qualify. Take the first step toward a rewarding nursing career with ATS today. Find out more at atsinstitute.edu.